Kidney cancer. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs located behind the abdominal organs with one kidney on each side of the spine. Kidneys are helpful in regulation of extracellular fluid volume. The kidneys work to ensure an adequate quantity of plasma to keep blood flowing to vital organs. Regulation of osmolality. A hint: very salty water has higher osmolality than regular potable water. Regulation of ion concentrations. Regulation of pH. The kidneys help control acid-base balance by excreting hydrogen ions and generating bicarbonate that helps maintain blood plasma pH within a normal range. Excretion of wastes and toxins. Production of hormones. What is kidney cancer? Kidney cancer or renal cancer is a disease in which kidney cells grow out of control, forming a tumor. They first appear in the lining of the tiny tubes in the kidney. What are some of the symptoms of kidney cancer? Blood in urine, which may appear pink, red, or cola-colored. Pain in the back or side that does not go away. Loss of appetite, weight loss, tiredness, fever, swelling in ankles or legs. What should you do? It is advised to do the following: urine test, blood test, intravenous pyelogram to detect tumors, ultrasound, CT scan, MRI. Renal arteriogram, biopsy, only if the doctor suspects a cancer growth. What are some of the suggested treatments? Surgery, cryotherapy, radiofrequency ablation, in which high energy radio waves are used to shrink the tumor, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, targeted therapy. What are the risk factors? Older age, especially men, smoking, obesity, high blood pressure, family history, having advanced kidney disease, having certain genetic conditions. Prevention: quit smoking, maintain a healthy diet, control high blood pressure. Disclaimer: the above information is not implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please consult a doctor for further advice.